How to sell on Etsy. Now in order to sell on Etsy, you need to create a shop in Etsy at very first. Now in order to create shop, just simply go to your browser and search for Etsy seller. Then after that, you will get to see a bunch of options. You just simply need to select this how to sell on Etsy United States or any of the other region where you belong to. Now this page will be opened up. Here you need to log in your normal Etsy account and then you can read in this page in order to know how can you sell on Etsy. Now first of all, you need to create a seller account. In order to do that, tap to get started and this page will appear in your screen. You need to select all of the options that are you need to fill out all of the information that are required, such as shop language, shop country, shop currency, and after that shop name. And then you need to provide the payment method, and after your account is verified, you can very easily sell on Etsy from this seller account. So this is how you can very easily sell on Etsy. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.